Hey class, all right, we're gonna get started on our new project for the third 6 weeks. This is called a paperclip project. So let's look at our learning goal with paperclip project. Our learning goal for today, you will think and create 3 illustrations using a paperclip. What's our level of thinking? We are at create. Yay, create. All right. So step 1, got these out of order. Okay, step 1, guys. First thing you need to do is grab 3 paper clips. So start by looking in your house, but if you don't have any in your house, okay, here are some other ways you can acquire 3 paper clips. I'll go ask your neighbors. Go knock on the door. Find a friendly neighbor that you feel comfortable approaching and say, hey, do you have 3 paper clips that I could have? You're not giving them back. You will be using them, so you need to tell them that. They will more than likely help you out. Tell them it's for a school project. They'll definitely help you out. If neighbors don't have any paper clips, well then call your parents. Ask them if they have any at work. Also call a friend. Maybe your friend's parents might have some that you can have. I would say your last effort, though, is go to the grocery store or like a drugstore and ask them. Tell them, again, it's for school, okay? Everybody loves to help a student out. All right. Once you get 3 paper clips, here's what you'll begin to do. Step 2, okay? So next, you're going to use your imagination and write down some ideas. Silly ideas are welcome. So I'm going to demonstrate that. So you need to get a piece of paper for this step, for step 2. And you need to start by writing down some ideas. Take that paper clip in your hand, okay? Look at it, flip it around, open it up if you need to. Start, playing with it and let your imagination do the work here, okay? What do you see? What could you create an illustration with using a paper clip? So as I looked at it, I saw maybe a trombone or a trumpet. I saw like a desk lamp or like a studying situation, recliner, pool ladder, nose, and tent, or, a camping scene. So here are my ideas. So here, out of all my ideas, I picked 3, and you will need to do the same. So for the first one, I decided I'm going to do a trumpet. So I took that paper clip and I kind of saw the body of a trumpet. And again, it's just a rough sketch. I don't have the mouthpiece there and all, but just kind of sketching it out. Thought, yeah, that looks like a trumpet for sure. So that's my first idea. My second idea was a camping tent. So I, opened it up and was looking at it. What do I see? I was flipping it around. And I thought, oh, that looks kind of like the opening of a tent. So then I did the tent shape, and then I added some trees and some mountains. And again, it's all just a rough sketch. I'm going to probably put a little person in there, something like that. Okay, and then my third idea was a recliner. And again, I just continued to kind of open up that paper clip. Again, looking at it from different angles. Okay, and I don't know why, but when I saw it in this position, I was like, that kind of looks like a chair. But more specifically, a recliner. So then I went on the internet and looked up a picture of a recliner to help me figure out where the pillows and the armrest and the footrest and all that goes. And I just kind of used Google Images to help me draw and build a recliner with a person in it, So this is our first stage, if you will, with this project, is we need to use our imagination and create some sketches, okay? So again, that's step 3. That's where we are at this point. So after you finish step 2, okay? Step 2 says use your imagination, write down some ideas. Okay, step 3, begin rough sketching 3 of your ideas, just like I did right here. 1, 2, 3 ideas. Guys, this rough sketch is for a grade, okay? As teachers, we need to see proof of your planning, okay, that you actually spent some time letting your imagination go and, you know, thinking about this critically. After that, step 4, begin rough sketching. Yeah, that's the same thing. Sorry, step 4. You're going to turn it in, okay? So once you're done with your rough sketch, okay, I would take a picture of this whole thing, take a picture of the rough sketch, and you're going to upload it tomorrow, Tuesday, November 10th. So spend Monday today sketching everything out, your 3 ideas, and then by tomorrow, Tuesday, you need to take a picture and upload it for a minor grade. And that's our first stage. Now, I'm going to show you what's going to happen the rest of this week, kind of briefly. So we have a sneak peek. Give you a sneak peek. So what we're doing here, hang on, my thing came unglued. That's okay. I didn't put enough glue down. Okay, so I'm going to take that, I took that trumpet idea and, sorry, it came unglued there. Okay, took that trumpet idea and then I went ahead and made a final illustration. Okay, so I took time and I kind of laid it down and then took my pencil and kind of did a little bit of light drawing around it and then put it off to the side and kind of filled in the gaps of where all the different pieces of the trumpet go and added some extra stuff and then colored pencil, black pencil, things like that to kind of make it come to life and make that trumpet look kind of realistic. And so what we're doing here in person is we're going to do it just like this onto 3 squares. So this is my first idea and it's fully completed. And then later this week, I'm going to move on to my second idea and my third idea. And then what we're going to do is we're going to arrange them at school on some construction paper. We're going to draw all 3 ideas onto these small squares and then glue them all down onto some construction paper that we choose. So it's a nice presentation of all 3. And we're going to hang them out in the hallway. So this is kind of the finished product. Again, I still got to do my second and my third idea and make them final. But that's it, guys. That's kind of the path we're taking for the rest of the week. So come to teams, join teams, send emails if you got questions or you need help. But, you know, keep that in mind. And we're here to help you. Don't struggle. So please make sure you join teams and ask questions. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.